Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar got a slight bump of 0.2% against the yen in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair plummeted 1.9% in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an oversold market. The gold dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.1% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The oil dollar pair exploded 1.3% in the last session. The MACD's negative signal contradicts our overall technical analysis.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Oil prices edged up as tight supply and expectations of a further draw in U.S. and global crude inventories provided support. The dollar was little changed against the euro and yen ahead of U.S. inflation data, while the main petrocurrencies got a lift as oil prices began climbing again and China reported reassuring export numbers. Cryptocurrency exchange FTX is joining Copper.co's Clearloop settlement trading network, which will allow it to gain new access to institutional funds.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's capacity utilization will be released at 4:30 GMT, the UK's Consumer Price Index at 600 GMT, the US Producer Price Index at 12:30 GMT. Germany's 10-year bond auction will be released at 9:30 GMT, the Eurozone's industrial production at 900 GMT, the US Fed's Beige Book at 1800 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.